Hello! Welcome back again for another unboxing of Regine Velasquez CD. So, medyo tagal-tagal na hindi ako nakapag-upload kasi ang busy ko talaga mga moms. Nakapag-online ako, don't have time to upload and everything. Kasi syempre pag-iisipan mo yung description, pag-iisipan mo kung anong mga hanash mo, kung may kwenta ba hindi. Which, most of the time, parang wala namang kwenta. Although, gusto ko lang naman i-unbox and then, alam mo yun, discuss some FYIs, some information that I know, or some questions, and impart some knowledge about some songs. Kasi na-notice ko sa YouTube, ang ginagawa ng iba, yan, unbox lang sila, tapos wala man lang pagbukas kung ano itsura, or kung magbubukas man, wala explanation. Alam mo yun, any information that you may want to share about the albums and everything would help a lot in spreading some information that only a few know, diba? So, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung may konting hanash. Even though my videos are not that very engaging, pero at least once in my life, especially when I turned gray, if my hairs turn gray, when I turn old, and I look back to the videos that I made, especially the unboxing of CDs, if may mga information man akong makalimutan, at least I'm able to witness them back by watching them all over again. I'm so sorry guys, I'm not into lavish editing of this one. I just want it to be parang dire-diretso lang para maging raw, simultaneous, spontaneous. Yeah, that's the right word, spontaneous. Pero sa isa kong channel do, nag-effort talaga ako kasi minomonetize ko yun. There. Anyway, what we have here on screen is a CD of Inang, Wanted Perfect Mother, the soundtrack, official soundtrack, compact disc album of Regine Velasquez of the same movie title, which she starred along with, or together with, Mr. Boyet, Christopher De Leon. So this was way back in 1996. Alam mo, hindi ko ito napanood. Hindi ko nga alam nung I was a fan already of Regine as early as 1992, pero hindi ganun yung parang yung curiosity ko that time, hindi ganun kalakas na kung ano lang na marinig ko sa radyo, edi yun lang yung alam ko. Pero when I get to know her at a later part of 1990s, doon lang ako nag-effort, and then that's when I knew na meron pala siyang ganitong movie and CD as well. So this is the Polycosmic version of CD that was released in the market, but there's also another version release of the same CD, but it's under Viva Records. So this one is You Are My Song. I think what happened was it's a joint venture project with Viva Records and Polygram in terms of the CD in the production of the album itself. Kailangan I'm not sure, dati siguro hindi uso yung kagaya ng collaboration ngayon na hindi mo na kailangan mag-release separately. Isang CD na lang, hatian na lang sa combined income or earnings. Pero ito parang naglabas talaga silang separate na album solely under Polycosmic Philippines, Polycosmic Records. And I like it because even though it's not one CD from both merger from both companies that are collaborating, pero at least parang collector's item na siya for most Reginian. And ang mahal ng bili ko nito, I think kanino ko na, parang ang bili ko dito is more than 5, 6. Ang mahal. Mahal siya, bet. Not sure why, pero ganito yung itsura niya, the front page. I like this cover better than the Viva kasi parang ang cute ng frame na pink, tapos hindi fuzzy yung picture. Medyo clear siya ng konti. Ayan. Tapos merong, ayan, may label sa lower right. You Are My Song, Regine Velasquez. Ayan. And then, when you open it, it's different from Viva Records release. So, Wanted Perfect Mother, the soundtrack, released under agreement with Viva Records Corporation. You Are My Song, si Louis Ocampo, the famous composer. But I think this is supposed to be meant for Martin Rivera. But I don't think that Martin recorded this song prior to Regine. Parang sa first time itong kinanta ni Regine, and then later on parang nire-record ni Martin. Correct me if I'm wrong ha. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko. Baka mali ako. World We Live In. This song was sang by Passage, a famous band in the late 90s under Viva Records. I'm not sure if they're still playing today, but I don't hear them anymore. Pero ang ganda ng kantang to, The World We Live In. Pangarap sa aking puso. Ito yung kinanta ni Regine, pampahele tulog sa mga chikiting. May pangarap sa aking puso. Ganon. Bet ko rin tong Getting to Know You. Kaya lang ewan ko ba bakit sa CD. Si Shell Perlas yung kumanta. Kinanta naman to ni Regine sa movie. Pati yung World We Live In, I'm not sure what happened actually. Bakit hindi siya yung record na lang doon sa CD? Pati itong Lalabay. Ay, hindi pala. Itong Pangarap sa Aking Puso, hindi pala ito kinanta ni Regine sa mga chikiting. Ito pala yun, yung Lalabay. Yung kinanta niya, tulog na aking mahal, takot ay kalimutan. Oh, ganon. Sorry guys, hindi maganda yung boses ko. Sinisipon ako ngayon. Color My World and My Heart's in Love Again. Actually, yung mga kanta na gusto ko dito, mostly hindi kinanta ni Regine sa CD. Yung World We Live In and Getting to Know You. Yung isa sa mga favorite, yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa album na to is yung Color My World. Kasi ang happy song siya, parang dance pop, something like that. Gusto ko yung kantang to. Every time I think about tomorrow, would you color my world with your laughter? You light up my life with your love. I had this day with a joy, with a feeling. Charot. Maganda din yung pagkakanta ni Regine dito sa Getting to Know You. Nakakainis na hindi siya na-record talaga ni Inang sa CD. Pero parang na-record niya naman. I'm not sure. Maybe because of the contract terms ni Regine. Kung ano lang ina-agree sa contract. Yung You Are My Song lang siguro at itong Color My World. Pangarap sa Aking Puso. Hindi na lang nila nalubos-lubos. Sayang tong dalawa. Ang ganda nito ng pagkakanta ni Regine. Itong World We Live In, maganda din to. Rock ang version ni Regine sa movie, just in case you don't know. So, panoorin niyo yung movie and then makikita niyo mo doon. Ito yung opening song. Kumakanta sila sa restaurant together with the band. Parang vocalist siya doon sa movie. Turned into a housewife. World We Live In. And I know, deep down I really know, this world we live in is starting to change and we will. Pero ang ganda ng version niya dun sa sa movie. Parang ang sobrang taas. This is the CD. Paka-arte. Tsara. There, hindi siya makita kasi hindi nagpo-focus masyado yung yung phone camera. But I like the color. Sa iPhone, para siyang mauve or light carnation. Pero sa personal, hindi. Parang beige siya. Then, that's the spine markings. There. Ayaw mo focus. Ang background kasi medyo maliwanag eh. But the back portion is this. Ganda. Parang mas bet ko yung CD release ni Polygram. Malinis, clear, at maganda yung kulay. And yes, there you have it. That's the unboxing of Regine Velasquez Wanted Perfect Mother official soundtrack of the same movie. So I'm going to travel today back home, so baka matagalan na naman ako makapag-post. So I wish I have more time, but if I can, I would. And for those who followed me and for those who supported my channel, even though hindi naman ako ganun ka-consistent mag-upload, and at the same time, yung mga videos ko, yung iba, dinownload ko lang na yan in the past, tapos nag-delete yung mga owners, binalik ko lang ulit upload para lang makita ng iba. Yung iba naman, I tried to enhance it using AI, though nag-improve naman siya, pero parang syempre hindi kagaya ng sa ibang mga nag-upload na bongga talaga yung AI algorithm para ma-improve yung videos. But despite all of those, thank you so much for following my channel. And I hope that we continue to support our songbird, especially that she has upcoming vinyl CD album and cassette release in December. So it's more than 2 years in the making ba? Or nearly 2 years in the making. Ang tagal. Siguro, they're trying their best to improve it or to make sure that the songs are catchy. Kasi, Inang is no longer in her prime. So, they're trying their best to plan the promotion and the release. So, siguro ang tagal din nawala ni Madam, kaya kailangan nilang pagplanuhan yung promotion nito. But whatever is the case, I hope everyone supports her all throughout, especially for the upcoming album. And at the same time, continue to support fellow Reginians who are uploading videos in relation to her, whether uploading the music videos or unboxing like this or trivia or whatever content that they're trying to upload. Sana i-support natin kasi after all, if it's for Regine Velasquez, it's all worth it. Okay, thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.